Hey mathematicians, in this video I'm going to show you how to find solutions to an inequality. And when you look at this one, I know it looks like it is so much, but you really don't have to do a lot of work to solve this because we have our old friend, the Desmos graphing calculator. So as you can see here, I took the inequality and I typed it into the Desmos graphing calculator. And the result that I got was this graph right here. So I'm going to kind of zoom in here a little bit so you can see. So you can see that the boundary line goes through the 10, and it is a dotted line that goes through the 10. And that makes sense because our inequality does not have an equal to sign underneath it. So remember, when there is no equal to sign, it means you're going to have a dotted line. And as you can see, all of the numbers on the number line are shaded to the left. And remember, the left-hand side is all of our less than values. So in other words, we are looking for solutions, and the solutions are going to be any number that is less than 10, because 10 is that boundary number right there. So with that in mind, all of our solutions are going to be values of x that are less than 10. So let's see what out of our multiple choice options are less than 10. So negative 10 is less than 10. Negative 6 is smaller than 10. Positive 6 is smaller than 10. But 10 is not smaller than 10. If it had said x is less than or equal to 10, then in that case, because of the inequality, then we would have said 10. But we don't have that equal to sign. So therefore, all of the solutions for this particular one are going to be A, B, and C. So no D.